Love you like a play cousin, man, but you got to stop trying to play your customers. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and these AirPods right here are gonna be with me until they break. I'm not buying the new Apple AirPods, man. Apple's on this thing, man. I think this is a discussion video, so if you don't like discussion videos, you probably want to bounce right now. But check this out, man. Apple seems to be on this trend like they've had for many years, and I'm just kind of waiting for them to stop because I actually like their products. But I'm over the fact that they overprice their stuff. You know, I'm kind of past that already. That's dead. Because I buy the stuff anyway, because I like it. But the quote unquote supposedly new AirPods aren't new, folks. They're selling the same product. They're just selling a wireless charging case. They can tell me, and you guys can get in the comments and tell me, oh, Jay, you don't know what you're talking about. You know, it's the new W1 chip, it's the H1 chip, it's all this other stuff. You could tell me that all you want to, but I'm gonna straight call you naive. If you already have the Apple AirPods, how are you going to review the AirPods 2? What would be your reasoning because you want wireless charging? Check it. All Apple doing is selling a wireless charging case because you can buy the case separately for 80 bucks. So they're supposedly selling the AirPod 2s or the new AirPods for $199, right? And then you can also buy the new AirPods that look exactly like this with the super chip inside for the same price that you bought these for, $159. Or if you don't want to buy any of that, you can just keep your current AirPods and buy the wireless charging case for $79. Folks, hey, I'm telling you right now, if you see any of those on my channel, somebody gave it to me for review, and I'm gonna keep it all the way 100. I have no intentions on buying an $80 wireless charging case or buying the so-called new version of these, and they look exactly the same. They probably sound the same. Sometimes when products come out, I'm just not sold on it. Oh, it's the new so-and-so, it's the new so-and-so. Especially when it's a premium price tag. You know, they don't even bother to they might as well just go around with a stamp and just look for all their customers and put dodo brain on it and just punch them in the forehead with it. Because now I'm not calling you guys dodo brains who are going to go out and buy the new AirPods. I'm just saying I don't want to be a dodo brain this time. Makes sense? I mean, these are nice. The AirPods are all the way nice. I love the way they pair. I love the way they sound. They don't have noise canceling. And that's a huge letdown for me when I'm at the gym or something. I'm working out or I'm trying to cancel out everybody else. So you can pretty much hear everything, especially when at the gym. But yeah. These so-called new AirPods, man, I gotta ask the question though. If you're buying them, definitely leave a comment down below. And I'll go to your video, I'll go to your channel and I'll watch your unboxing, especially if you have the other ones. Now, I will say this. If you don't have AirPods and you held out and you was really interested, then okay, go for the new ones, man. The new ones, you know, just go for those because you're gonna get longer battery life, they say. It's gonna sound better. All these things is what they say. And I know that I'm going to watch videos online, or maybe I'll watch one or two. It's from somebody that I follow. If they buy them, I'll watch them. But I don't know that they're going to get on video and say, oh man, Apple was right. Apple was right. These sound 3 times better. You know, so the new AirPod thing, Apple, you got to quit calling your customers stupid to their face, man. At least secretly do it behind their back. Because you do it with your phones. You do it with your tablets, and not to speak of the new iPads. You see, Apple isn't making any huge announcements for this stuff. It's because they want to slide it under the radar, and they want everybody to hear about it from word of mouth. Is the way I see it. You know, because these so-called new iPads, they have the new internals. Yes, they could at least give it a new design, but why won't they give it a new design? Because they still got all that old hardware. And call them smart for using the same hardware to save some funding. But give the customers something new, man. Give the customers something new. The iPads look identical to the 10.5. All they did was change the back of it. The new iPad mini looks exactly like the current mini. They could have at least stretched that mini out with a bigger screen. Gave it a 9-inch screen. Filled up that little tablet with all screen. Nope, they're not going to do that. You know why? Because it'll outsell the 11 and the 12. That'll outsell the 11 for sure. So Apple, man, you know, Love you like a play cousin, man. But you got to stop trying to play your customers. For real, for real. It's really annoying to know that they're just releasing the same products and just kind of slap you in the face like, what you gonna do about it? You gonna buy it anyway. I got you hooked in my ecosystem. Nah, not me. These right here are gonna be with me until they break. And I'm telling you, you have my word. If you see something new like this, the so-called new AirPods, I didn't buy them. I didn't buy them. And my review on them, if I were to do it, it's still gonna be the same. They probably look the same. They feel the same. They're probably gonna sound the same. The wireless charging case thing for 80 bucks, Apple's crazy, man. I don't care what nobody says. You can call me whatever you want to call me in the comments. I don't care. Apple is crazy for trying to hustle their customers like this, man. It's crazy. I'm a loyal Apple person, by the way. If you know, I buy every iPhone. I have a 5K Mac. I bought several MacBook Pros. You know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of loyal to Apple when it comes to Apple Music is my streaming service of choice. Obviously, I'm holding the AirPods, so I got it. iPhones over there, several iPhones over there. The thing is for me, you may not feel the same as me, but for me, it's a slap in the face, man. I'm really tired of this. And people crap on Sony for making a different design or, for doing something completely different. Right up, just freestyle real quick. People talk bad about Sony for doing the same, doing a new design. And look at what Apple is doing to their customers. I can't stress it enough. There are plenty of other companies out there that are trying to move the industry and keep it affordable. But people are going to come back with, oh, the ecosystem, Android's horrible, or, Apple's ecosystem is the best, whatever the case may be, man. Tell me what you guys think about the new, I hate to call it new. Tell me what you think about Apple's latest products that they brought to their line, especially these AirPods, so-called AirPod 2s or new AirPods, this wireless charging case, these new iPads. What you think about all that, man? It's your man, Jay. I'm out of here.